This account has thousands of followers, and the person you see in every video doesn't even exist. And the founder behind the whole thing built it in just one weekend. Here's how. Just one AI personality, one clear niche, one repeatable content system, and of course HeyGen turning that persona into social videos. An AI influencer is essentially a content brand whose personality is intentionally built from the ground up. Instead of the founder becoming the face of the account, the AI influencer is the face of the account. And the content can be built around a character that fits the niche perfectly. But this is also where people usually get it wrong. They jump straight into building the avatar before knowing who the avatar should be. And that's why so many AI influencer accounts just feel generic. There's no point of view, no clear niche, no reason to follow, and no consistent personality. So for this workflow, we are not starting with the avatar. We're starting with the persona. The persona decides the niche, the name, the visual style, the tone, the content pillars, and the type of content that this account is going to make over and over again. So today, we're going to build this in 4 steps. First, we'll design the AI influencer persona. Second, we'll create the AI avatar to match that persona. Third, we'll generate scripts that stay in the persona's personality and voice. And fourth, we'll use HeyGen to turn that script into a finished video. But now step 1 is the persona design. And this is definitely the most important part of the entire episode, because if the persona is weak, everything else afterwards gets harder. So before we open HeyGen, we need to answer just a few questions. What niche is the AI influencer actually in? What's going to be their name? What do they look like? How do they talk? What do they believe? What kind of content do they make every week? And why would someone follow them? For this episode, let's make an AI influencer in the productivity space. So I'll start with a prompt like this. Act as a brand strategist. Design an AI influencer persona for the productivity space. Output: persona name, age range, visual style, voice/tone with 3 adjectives, 5 content pillars, and 3 sample video hooks per pillar. The persona should feel distinctive, not generic, and should have a clear point of view on productivity. Now, the first output might give us a few good options, but the goal isn't just to accept the first option immediately. The goal is to use it as a starting point, and then you make the persona more specific. For example, if the persona just says generic productivity coach who helps people get organized, that's just not strong enough. That could literally be anyone. So I'd push it further. Maybe this persona isn't about hustle culture. Maybe her whole point of view is that productivity should feel calm, clear, and simple, and above all, realistic. And that gives the persona a much clearer angle. So let's say the final persona is named Nova. Nova is an AI productivity creator. Her whole brand is calm, minimal, and practical. Her visual style is clean, with maybe your average desk setup, soft, neutral colors, and relaxed but polished outfits. Her tone is clear, encouraging, and slightly direct. And her 5 content pillars are focus systems, digital organization, simple planning, anti-burnout productivity, and AI tools for everyday work. And now we have something actually useful. And this is what makes this episode so distinct compared to all of the other episodes in the SMB series. In every episode before this, the person already existed. But with an AI influencer, you're starting from 0, which is exactly why persona design needs to come first. And if you've been following this series, or maybe even you're just new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. We're breaking down a different real business workflow every single episode. But now let's build the avatar to actually match Nova. And thanks to that persona brief, we already laid down the foundation, because now once we have the persona, we can create the avatar. Inside HeyGen, I'll just head on over to the avatar section and start creating an avatar that matches our persona's brief. For Nova, we want her to feel calm, modern, and productivity focused. So I'd give her a clean, neutral setting, maybe some soft lighting and a minimal desk setup, business casual clothing, and a look that feels more like a helpful digital creator rather than a corporate spokesperson. But because the persona is AI native, you have a lot more creative freedom. You're not trying to create the founder's exact look. You're able to design the face of the account. And once that looks good, now we have the face of our AI influencer. So now that we have our persona and our avatar, we can start writing scripts. And this is where the persona brief becomes really useful, because we do not want the scripts to sound like a different person wrote it for every video. We want the account to feel consistent, like the same creator is showing up over and over again. So instead of prompting AI with just the topic, we're going to turn the persona brief into a script system. For example, we can use a prompt just like this. Your name's Nova, an AI generated productivity creator. Your voice is calm, practical, and and encouraging. Your content pillars are focus systems, digital organization, simple planning, anti-burnout productivity, and AI tools for everyday work. Write a 45-second social video script on blank. Stay in voice, make the advice simple, specific, and realistic, and end with a call to action appropriate to Nova's brand. And this prompt does a few important things. First, it tells the model who's speaking. Second, it gives the voice and the tone. Third, it reminds the script what content pillars the brand is built around. And fourth, it keeps every video connected to the same brand. And the more scripts you actually make inside of an AI tool, the more that the AI will pick up on the content style that your creator has. So it'll only get easier. We're just gonna plug in a simple topic to the prompt that we already made. And that's just gonna be a 10-minute reset for overwhelmed work days. Now this should feel calm and practical, not like a productivity guru yelling at you to work harder. The script might focus on simple things like clearing your desk, writing down 3 things actually do today, and restarting without having to fix the entire week. And that right there matches Nova's brand perfectly. So now instead of making one random AI influencer video, we have the beginning of a highly repeatable content system. Nova can now make videos about focus, planning, digital organization, AI tools, and burnout, and still feel like one recognizable creator. But now that we have the script, the avatar, and the persona brief, we can turn this into a finished video inside of HeyGen. And there's actually a few different ways you can do this. You could build the video manually by selecting the avatar, pasting the script, adding supporting visuals, and arranging each scene yourself. But for this workflow, I'm gonna use Video Agent. Video Agent is super useful because instead of building every single video from scratch, you can give HeyGen the goal, the script, and the content style, and it'll build it automatically for you. So here I'll just paste the 10-minute reset script, then I'll give it some instructions that match the persona. I'll leave this prompt down in the description below, and I'll even flash it up on screen right here. But for whatever persona you're making, it's gonna end up turning out a little bit different than this one. Just keep that in mind. But then I'll go ahead and just select Nova's avatar, choose her voice, and make sure the format is set to vertical for shorts. And once it looks good, we can go ahead and generate the final video. And now we have our first finished post.
If your workday already feels overwhelming, try a 10-minute reset before you keep pushing through. First, clear the surface in front of you. Not the whole room, just the desk, the tabs, or the notes that are directly distracting you. Second, write down everything pulling at your attention. Every task, every reminder, every "I need to remember this later" thought. Get it out of your head and onto one list. Third, circle the 3 things that actually matter today. Not everything that would be nice to finish, just the 3 that would make the day feel back under control. Then choose one next action. Open the doc, send the email, reply to the message, set the timer. You do not need to fix the whole week in one sitting. You just need one clean next step. Save this for the next time your day starts to spiral.
A short productivity video featuring our AI avatar Nova as the presenter, all built from a persona brief, turned into a script, and then plugged into HeyGen. And because this is an AI generated influencer, I would just add a simple disclosure in the caption letting people know this. This makes the execution crystal clear without making the content feel awkward or like you're trying to protect yourself legally. And that's it, everybody. That is the full AI influencer workflow. Start with the persona, design the avatar around that persona, use a persona brief to generate consistent scripts, turn those scripts into finished videos inside of HeyGen, and keep the disclosure clear when the persona is AI generated. That first step is what really makes this workflow different. Because with an AI influencer, the brand doesn't just start with a person, it starts with a persona. And once that persona is clear, you can build an entire content engine around it. So across the entire SMB series, we looked at one core idea across 5 different content contexts. A personal trainer used an avatar to post more often. A course creator turned one lesson into a full content library. A real estate agent built a repeatable listing workflow. A financial advisor used a script-first review process. And now an AI native brand can build an entire content system all from scratch. Different businesses, different workflows, but all the same foundation. And that wraps up this episode of the SMB series. That's the workflow for building an AI native brand from scratch. And if you want to try this for yourself, start with the persona prompt that we used for Nova. Then bring your persona briefs into HeyGen's Video Agent and make your first video. But now make sure to drop a comment on the type of businesses that you guys would like to see reviewed in our upcoming episodes. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because of course you wouldn't want to miss it. And as always, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.